Sa YouTube to, loko. O yan. Na-video rin yun. Uy, sila yung panganay mo. Sila yung panganay mo. Hindi agaw na. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. Again. Again. Ano ba yan? Yo. One more time. Bilis, shout to daddy. Shout to daddy. Sige na, linalo ka lang ni daddy. That's not your things. Return. Dominic. Ay! You destroyed it. Go. Patay. You wipe your mouth.
Don't want to give that item your mom. I am just like your ate. Wow. Red. Of course. Red.
Blue naman.
Walang blue.
Red.
Red na lang red. Red is the color of the day.
Sila concealer? Concealer ba yan?
Ganon. Sige, mo.
Tumay ka dito. Tingnan natin kung concealer na yan.
Napakapa, ganon. Dahil huwag ka. Dahil yan. Hindi ko pa na ano yan.
Dom, any pimple si mami?
Benten.
Hindi yung benten mo.
Saan benten? Dom, where's pimple of mami? Where? No more pimple si mami. Wait, aray, pitik, aray.
Ayan. Sige na, Daddy. Buti nga.
You have asthma?
Ikaw muna. And the two of us really know about what we're looking